Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to create a new project for the layers, line types, and text styles. So open up your Visual Studio 2019 and let's create a new project. Let us choose the language as Visual Basic and search for library. And choose the class library, .NET Framework. Next. So this is our project location. You can choose any folder locations you want. And let's call this project name as Layers, Line Types, and Styles. And then create. Alright, now the first thing that we should do, as same as the previous projects that we have created, we need to reference the AutoCAD DLLs. So right click on the references and add reference, and let us search for, let us browse. So depending on your AutoCAD installation, you can find these three files under the program files folder: Autodesk and AutoCAD 2019 in my case. If you have a different version, then you can just search for that folder location and search for ACDB MGD and ACMGD as well as AC Core MGD. Click OK. So now we have those three references here. And the next thing that we should do is change the copy local attribute from true to false. So we don't need to copy all of these libraries when we compile our code. Alright. Now that we have all the required references, we can now import into our project. Application services. The other one is database services. Another one, if you recall, is the runtime services. We will also be needing the geometry, so let's also import geometry. And another one is the colors. We will be needing this when we create a layer and we can specify the colors of the layer. So these are all the namespaces that we need. Now we can start creating a new project. A new classes. So let me just create a new class for the layer. Let us call this as layers class. And this will be our class for all the methods for the layers. We don't need this class 1 VB, but I need all these imports here. So let's just copy this over and paste it in our layer class. Okay, so let me just delete this class 1. Alright, so now we are ready to create our new methods for the layers. So now that we have our project, we will be using this project to create all the methods for layers, line types, and styles. So in the next video, we will start creating our first layer method called list layers. I'll see you there.